In today's digital age, the shift to smart, connected products demands use of modern tools and processes for design and engineering. But the challenge is to create integrated systems to assist different engineering functions that often work in disconnected silos. Adopting a model-based systems engineering approach within the product lifecycle management framework can address these complexities and drive innovation. Let's see how the system engineering team gets benefited using HCLTech's solution. Meet our team of experts crafting smart, connected aircraft landing gear. Although Neil employs model-based systems engineering to innovate and architect product concepts across domains, yet Sarah, George, and Mark face significant challenges to understand specifications, constraints, and interfaces across subsystems, and manage architecture changes and revisions while maintaining consistency across teams. That's where the Cameo Connector for Teamcenter by HCLTech comes in to bridge the gap by seamlessly integrating MBSE modeling and PLM, facilitating cohesive and collaborative development. The Cameo Connector for Teamcenter allows early resolution of potential integration issues by enabling Neil to manage MBSE models in Cameo and expose relevant views and elements of architecture in Teamcenter, Sarah to track product progress, review workflows and configurations, George to review system model diagrams and views for feedback and change negotiations, Mark to link or trace designs to architect's plans, allowing evaluation of change impacts and subsystem reuse. Thanks to HCLTech's Cameo Connector for Teamcenter for accelerating team synergy and enabling digital thread in product development. Start revolutionizing your product development now with Cameo Connector for Teamcenter by HCLTech.